Okay, Pete, what is this?
It's a habitat desert.
Desert habitat. What kind of animals live in the desert?
Komodo, king cobra, snake, iguana, and chameleon, a dinosaur, and a scorpion.
Good. What kind of plants can you find in the desert?
Cactus,
Cactus. Good. Can you tell us about the temperatures in the desert?
hot. It a temperature is hot.
Good. Can you turn around, please? What is the temperature at nighttime in the desert?
Cold.
Very cold.
Yeah.
What are some landforms you can find in the desert?
Baby meat.
Okay. What about, do you find any bodies of water in the desert?
Little bit.
A little bit. What kind?
Inside a sand.
Inside the sand?
Some with little bit.
Okay, good job. What about, can you tell us the weather in the desert?
Hot.
Can you make a whole sentence? The weather?
The weather is hot.
Good job. What's your favorite animal that lives in the desert?
Iguana, komodo, scorpion, and chameleon.
Good job. All right, Pete, thank you. Can you wave goodbye? Very good job.
Goodbye.